Welcome to News 5 Everywhere.
Kasi Vice, napansin ko lang, syempre, generation, di ba? Napansin ko lang, you were at the peak of your showbiz career when you entered politics. May pag-asa pa ba ang showbiz sa'yo?
Oo naman. In fact, I want to be a director.
Really?
Hindi na. Not actor anymore.
Pwedeng on-cam and off-cam.
Ang una yung nakapareha sa pelikula ay si Claudine Barreto. Pero may mga nababasa kami na hindi nag-prosper ang inyong relasyon dahil ayaw daw sa inyo ni Inday
Unang-una,
Ni Inday.
wala kami relasyon. Medyo hindi ako type ng pamilya niya.
Oh, yun.
Pero type mo ba siya?
That's a way, baka hindi ako type nila makapartner ng anak nila because I'm nobody. Yeah, I'm starting.
But were you attracted to
Well, it's just
Claudine
beautiful.
during that time?
So, Vice, sino yung pinaka-crush na crush ninyo sa showbiz nung panahon ninyo?
Ang talagang... Anyway, those are the things of, these are the things of the past. Ang talagang naging nobya ko noon, si Bamba. Kasi we were partners. Naging magkasama kami sa dance. Magka-batch pa kami.
Pero sir, nagulat kami, non-showbiz yung napangasawa.
Yeah.
Oo.
Saan mo ba nakilala yung napangasawa?
Common friend. Ito, walang exaggeration. Magnobya kami, 1 buwan lang. After 1 month, kinasal na kami. And we were married, and now, no? Mga 13 years na kami.
Sa bagay, sila Marcos at Imelda, 11 days lang eh.
Kaya hindi ko naman masabing tama yung formula ko. Hindi ko sabi, tularan nyo, 1 month lang yung sutay mo, papakasarin ko.
Coming from Vice
Okay,
Mayors.
Vice, meron
Be sure to come back. News 5 Everywhere. Copyright 2013.